huge fan of the Studio 5 Love List. It's a growing list of our favorite things. I love it so much, I will sometimes even pull up the Studio 5 website and search the words Love List just to make sure I haven't missed anything great. Well, today is my chance to add to this list. I'm sharing something that works wonders in my kitchen and everywhere else. I love the Scrub Daddy, this little smiley-faced sponge. It's a happy little sponge and actually sat by my kitchen sink for a year, I think, and I didn't really know how to use it, but then I used it a few months ago to clean my kitchen sink, and now I'm hooked. I'm cleaning everything with it. I've cleaned my grill, I've cleaned my railings, my bathtubs, and the nice thing about this sponge is that it's scratch-free, so it won't scratch things. It's firm in cool water and soft in hot water, so there's multiple textures. It's dishwasher safe, which I love because it can be sanitized, and it's just a few dollars. I got mine at Target, but I've seen them at Walmart, and